of an English and a Tibetan song. The English one is "Geek in the Pink" by Jason Mraz, and the Tibetan song is "Pomo Tsering Songmo" by Kunga. The 쉐디 댕디 이 인게다 벽에 제마치기. Let the geek in the pink take a step at it. If you like the way I'm thinking, baby, wink at it. I may be skinny at times, or a fat full of rhymes. Pass me the mic and I'ma grab at it. Isn't it delicious, baby? Wait till I'm kissing this, baby. Listen to this. Don't wanna miss it while I'm sitting. Sometimes you gotta fit in to get in, but don't ever quit too soon. I'm gonna let you in, but see, I don't care what you might think about me. You get by without me if you want. I could be the one to take you home. Baby, we can rock the night alone. If you ever get down, wouldn't be the letdown. Should I'm forgetting what you already know. I could be the one to turn you out. We could be the talk across the town. Judging by the color, use it for another. You might regret what you let slip away. I'm the geeking for no selling and can I go with Gucci? More titty can I go with Gucci? More titty yeah. Oh, 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 da 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 da. Oh, getting the father don't mean to bother nobody. Cupid's automatic wants to fire multiple shots at her. And she falling in love too often, that's what's the matter. At least I'm talking about her, keep her pattern of flattery. And she was staring through the door frame and eyeing me down like already a dead boyfriend. Well, she can get her toys out of the drawer then, cause I'm coming home, I don't need that attention. See, I don't care what you might think about me.